What's up, everybody? Brian here with another episode of Fishing Control. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your first visit. We're out here on beautiful Tybee Island today. It is very windy. It's blowing like 23 miles an hour from the northeast. So we are at a location that I will not name, where I can put the wind to my back and blowing from behind the camera so you guys can mostly hear what the hell I'm talking about. We are out here with some shrimp, some fish bites. I've got 3 rods rigged up ready to go. We'll talk about them as we get them casted out. Tide's coming in. It's like halfway in. It'll be high in like 3 hours or so. We'll be out here for maybe another hour and a half. We'll see what happens. Depends on how the fishing goes. Let's get to it. Tide should be coming in. Wind is blowing against it. I think this one is going first on the end down here because it's the most likely to roll, but it's the one that I can also cast the farthest, so it can actually kind of wind up downstream a little bit if it wants to. We're gonna kind of go ahead and spread the rod holders out pretty good. You can see the wind blowing the sand along the beach. So we're gonna spread these out. We're gonna go ahead and kind of cast them with the wind a little bit, so that's not really a problem. Tighten down our drag. This is the Penn Squadron 3 medium heavy 10-foot rod with a Penn Fierce 3, is that the 5,000 oval handle with the reaction tackle 30-pound 8-strand braid in the brown camo color. I've got a double drop Pompano style rig on there with a green big float on top and a green and chartreuse small float on the bottom. The leader is 17-pound fluorocarbon, and the hooks are Circle C 2-watt circle hooks. And we are fishing. We are officially fishing officially. Rod in the water, rod in the water. Second rod, middle rod. It's gonna be the noodle. This one's gonna go close. This is the Shakespeare Tiger 9-foot medium. They call it a medium heavy, but there's no way it's a medium heavy. It's a friggin' noodle rod. It's got a reel on it. It's got an overkill reel on it. Penn Fierce 6,000 size live liner. It's a Penn Fierce 3 6,000 size live liner. I think it's got like 30-pound braid on it. I need to restring my smaller reels. This one's just getting a little lob right out close. Third rod that's going out is the Daiwa FT 10-foot with a Penn Pursuit 4 6,000 with 30-pound, same 30-pound reaction tackle 8-strand braid. Same makeup of leader, except the colors are a little different. It's got orange and chartreuse for the big float and solid chartreuse for the little float. 4-ounce Sputnik on it. Hopefully help it sit just a little bit better. They all have kind of old shrimp on it, but with sand flea fish bites. There's dolphins. Hopefully that one will sit a little straighter out. with the Sputnik on it, so I get a little bit of spread. And we might put together a fish finder rig for the last rod. Also might throw artificials on the little rod. You never know. Should be a fish right here. Well, it's a stingray. Here we go. Say goodbye, Ray. Goodbye, Ray. Is that a hit on the yellow rod? Yes. What in the heck? Is that what it is? That's what it is. Fresh whiting. Fresh whiting. In the box. They're all going in the box today. These are the size pieces of shrimp I'd be using out here. Not very big. And they catch everything. This is the same size bait that I've caught my personal best redfish on, so I'm getting a hit here. Yep. What do we got? Something? Almost feels like nothing now. Hope I didn't miss it. Feels like I missed it. Let's find out. I missed it. Damn it. Let's finish doing what I was doing here. Yeah, that was definitely a hit though. All right, this rod now has some cut whiting and sand flea fish bites on it. Fairly acceptable-ish. Little shark?
You hit it like it was a monster too.
They always do, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Never caught one this small. I was like,
Man, I catch a bunch of them that size. They think they're monsters.
Man.
Very over ambitious.
And I forgot to like turn my drag down. I was like, oh no.
Thinking you were about to get smoked.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. I'm not sure. When they're that small, there's like 3 different species that all have little black tips.
Yeah. Usually, if it's a black tip right here, it's got black, I think.
They're either little sand tigers or little bulls. I think. I could totally be wrong about both of those, but I think. Yeah. See if he's got whatever that was. That was a great hit. Hope he's got it. Like halfway packed up. Let's see what he's on here. It might be another little shark. Yeah, a decent little shark. He must have just been holding on to it. I feel like I've had a couple like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where he was just like holding it. Yeah.
Kind of a piece like that.
Well, that's going to do it for this episode of Fishing Control. It was a little bit of a slow day out here on the beach, but I always love getting out here. It's still fun for me. Always fun to see Steven, see him get one small shark and almost get that big shark. That was pretty exciting there. There will be more fishing coming up. We got a whole bunch of exciting activities and things on the horizon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching this episode of Fishing Control, and we'll see you on the next trip.